Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, whatever that will be. Just have it open and visible on your display. I'll be just taking a screenshot of this app page right here. So once you have your content open, simply press and hold volume down and power button at the same time. You'll have this sound with a pop-up right here, and after a moment it disappears. Now once it disappears, unfortunately you have to navigate to File Explorer to find your screenshot, because we don't have any kind of like gallery application right here. We have the app gallery, but this is for applications itself. So you will need to navigate right here to Files. And as you can see, we have screenshot right down here. Now, obviously later on you can also browse it right here under the just like browse, and you'll find we have categories right here. You can navigate to images, and this should show you your screenshots. So it shows you actually all the images that are on the tablet. That's why we have two similar looking things. So one is all and one is just screenshot. So all will contain every kind of image that you have on this device, while screenshots just gives you a folder or catalog consistent of just strictly screenshots. It pulls them from here and shows it just, neatly organized just into screenshots. That's very interesting. By tapping on here, we have nothing. Come on. There we go. So right here, you can tap on it and you can view your screenshot. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.